scattered papers, a half-packed suitcase, and a flickering desk lamp. His hands tremble slightly as he stares at a phone screen showing an unanswered text. "Call me when you can." Sarah, his wife. Cut to close-up of his anxious expression. Narrator VO. Alex's mind is a storm. Relationships, work, and past ghosts collide. But even in chaos, there's a path to clarity. Scene 2. The breaking point. Flashback. Alex and Sarah argue. Clips intercut with his stressed workday, typing emails furiously, ignored by colleagues, and a childhood memory, young Alex crying in a car, asking his dad where they're going. No answer. Alex, voice shaky, to therapist in session. "I told her the most honest conversations I've ever had. I was a little buzzed or high. I don't know why I can't slow down or think clearly when stressed. I guess there are fears in there." Therapist warm, steady. "Let's pause. What if the noise isn't who you are, but just a signal? What's under the fear?" Scene 3. Unpacking the noise. Visual. Alex's thoughts as floating text bubbles. "I'm failing. They'll leave me. I'm not enough." The therapist hands him a journal. Cut to him writing. "I'm a licensed engineer. I built things that matter." Therapist. "Your values are your anchor. You fought for your career against a church that dismissed you. That's courage. How can that strength meet your marriage?" Alex softly. "The hypocrisy. They said a woman couldn't preach or work sound, even though I'm an engineer. I left. But now, I'm doing the same thing to Sarah." Shutting down. Scene 4. Role play and reframing. Scene splits. On one side, critical Alex, sneering, mimics a parent's voice. "You're lazy. You should fix this now." On the other, Alex responds in a silly voice, diffusing tension. "Thanks for the advice, Captain Panic, but I'm choosing curiosity today." Therapist, smiling. Notice the critic's tone. Can you greet it without judgment? What would compassionate Alex say to your wife? Alex, practicing. "I'm scared too. Let's talk when we're both calm." Scene 5. The turn. Montage. Alex texts Sarah. "Can we try again?" He opens a meditation app. A calendar shows small check marks. Called support group. Took meds. A memory resurfaces. Young Alex now hears his dad's voice. "I'm sorry. I couldn't tell you then. I was lost too." Narrator VO. Progress isn't a straight line. It's choosing again and again to reach for something softer than fear. Closing scene. Dawn. Alex and Sarah sit on a porch at sunrise. He takes her hand. No dialogue, just the sound of breath and distant birds. Text on screen. Breathe through the noise. You are not your worst moments. Feel the weight of chaos surrounding you. You are the next breath. Like she don't just have me addressing the elephant in the room with calligraphic even in this graffiti. Clarity awaits. Your mind replays those moments, arguments, work stress, childhood silence. Can you see the storm beneath your surface? Those heavy thoughts crowd your mind. But what if your true strength is the anchor holding you steady? What if you could meet your inner critic with a playful smile? Watch how a silly voice shifts the battle to curiosity. Each step you take, no matter how small, ripples through your life. What if progress is simply choosing softer over fear? Here at dawn, watch how connection silently rebuilds. Remember, you are not your hardest moments, but your next breath.